Hey everyone! Today we're making a Filipino classic bulalo. Get ready for a rich and comforting beef broth. Let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. Beef, onion, potatoes, peppercorns, corn and cabbage. First, let's start by preparing our onion. Bulalo is all about layering flavors, and onions are essential for that rich, savory taste. Cut the onion in half and remove the skin. Now it's time to prepare our corn. Bulalo often includes corn for that delightful sweetness and added texture. Carefully slice the corn into smaller pieces so they can cook evenly with the other ingredients. Next, let's get our potatoes ready. Remove the skin and cut the potatoes in half. Make sure to wash the cabbage thoroughly. We'll be using it as the last ingredient to add to our bulalo. This way, it retains its crunch and freshness, adding a delightful texture to the dish. Let's start cooking now by adding water to your pot. After that, add your meat. I'm using a pressure cooker to save more time, but you can use any regular pot. Just keep in mind that the beef will need more time to cook in a regular pot, so I highly recommend using a pressure cooker if you have one. Now add your onion and some peppercorns into the pot. We're also adding the corn together with the meat, so the corn cooks and becomes soft as well. Let's cook these ingredients for at least 30 minutes in our pressure cooker. After 30 minutes, it's time to add the potatoes and a green chili for extra flavor. At this stage, you need to add fish sauce or patis. Let it cook for another 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. If you're using a regular pot, you'll need to cook it longer until the meat is tender. After 20 minutes, let's add the cabbage and cook it for just 3 minutes. And congratulations, you can now enjoy one of the best Filipino dishes, which also happens to be my favorite. Bulalo is healthy and easy to cook, perfect for a comforting meal.